Okay, so this is engine running in reverse. You'll notice the reverse light on the car is actually on solid there, and the reverse lights for the trailer are flicking on and off. And I've put a resistor in line with the reverse lights here, and I've just done an easy way straight through a tow attachment, and that's a test. So you can see it, the power's going on and off to the reverse lights there. Okay, can you put the headlights on now? Okay, so you can see it, I've got the headlights on there, and you can see that's off, that's on. You can see the headlights are turning on and off, along with the reverse lights. If I can get it in view, yep. You can see them flicking on and off. Now pop the hazard lights on for me, hon, please. Now, this is different because when I put the hazard lights on, everything works okay. So I'm not sure what the hell's going on there. Oh no, it's just started going off there. So you can see the headlights, which is the orange ones, flicking on and off. Actually, that's the park lights, I should say. Park light supply is flicking on and off. And the green ones on the outside, which are the indicators, are sort of flicking as well. Okay, can you turn the headlights off? Okay, so now you can see that the indicators are sort of flicking in a funny thing. Especially that right one, I guess it is, but they're both flicking on and off. But the reverse lights are on fully, which is weird. Okay, turn the hazards off. And now the reverse lights are flicking on and off again. Just trying to get them both. Okay, hazards back on. So as soon as I turn the hazards on, the reverse lights come good. Okay, so the hazards are now sort of misbehaving. They're not staying on when they should stay on. They're flickering. Okay, hazards off. And now the reverse hazards are off. The reverse lights are flickering. Switching on and off. And that's with I think it's a 5k ohm resistor in series with the reverse lights. Got me bugging. And just parkers back on, or headlights on. Okay, so that's reverse lights on, headlights on, and you can see they're both turning on and off, which they shouldn't be doing.